green peppers, purple onions, garlic, olive oil, and red cooking wine. Begins the making of my Spanish red sauce. Adding the olive oil, all the veggies, incorporate them all together. Yeah, you'll see that my purple onions are frozen because I keep them in the freezer so I can just have them ready to go when I need to cook. Tomato sauce, black pepper, salt. I'll be making meatballs in my red sauce today. Sauté. Basil, paprika, oregano leaves, and cumin, which I forgot to put in the picture. But yes, cumin. Maybe a teaspoon of cumin. Incorporate everything together. Saute, saute, saute till everything comes together as you see in the picture. A little more olive oil. Then it's time for the sauce. I used 3 small cans of tomato sauce in this one. And I use about a little bit less than half a cup of the red cooking wine. I don't know if you guys ever use red cooking wine in your foods, in your sauces, especially the red ones, but we definitely do. And it just makes the sauce stand out from others. This sauce can also be used with Italian sausages. And this is basically the same sauce that I make for my picadillo, my ground beef. Now I'm adding the meatballs. They were frozen. Then you're gonna let them simmer for about 15 minutes, I guess. I raised the heat a little bit, not too much, still probably medium. Don't want to dry out the sauce. I wish you guys could smell this, it's so delicious. It's mouth-watering. So while I make these meatballs in here, I'm going to talk to you about next week's video. Next week we are making ham croquettes. Croquetas de jamón, Cuban style. So don't miss that one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification button so you'll know when to come to see that dish being made. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm only starting this journey, so hopefully it'll keep going. There you have it. My delicious meatballs. I put them over white rice and a side salad. You can put them in a hoagie and have a meatball sub. Alright guys, thanks again, and remember, subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. Ciao.